Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I want to talk about shaving. Now, through the years of experience, I have accumulated knowledge about it, and I'm gonna be sharing all my tips and tricks with you, which helps in giving you beautiful, clean, and clear skin. Also, I'll be talking about how I shave my face and how you can also do it perfectly, and then you're not gonna get any type of clogged pores, the strawberry skin, or very dull and dry skin. So here are gonna be my tips. So without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in. So guys, the first tip that I have for you all is using a new razor blade every time that you are going for a shave. Now, we all have this razor, the handle we all have. We just need to use the new head every time. So I mean, if you are shaving the whole body, whenever you try to go for a next shaving session, just go on and use a new head. By that, you're gonna get the cleanest of shave. You are gonna get a beautiful skin, and all the hairs are gonna be removed. So guys, now let me talk about this amazing brand, which is gonna be Fur. So all the razors that I'm using for my face or for my body are gonna be from this brand because they make these amazing razors. So let me talk about how I shave my body. So every 1 to 2 weeks, depending upon the growth, I apply aloe vera gel as my shaving gel, and it just works well for me. I take the razor and start removing the hair in small strokes. So because there is gonna be a grip on the handle, it is gonna be very easy, guys. It has this cushion grip handle, it has vitamin E and aloe vera pads, and also comes up with 4 blades, which helps in giving you clean and clear skin instantly. Just in one stroke, it is gonna take all the hair out, not gonna be giving you any cuts at all. So once I'm done, guys, I just pat my skin dry, and then I make sure I always apply coconut oil as my moisturizer once I'm done shaving. So make sure that you check out these amazing razors. The link is gonna be in the description box below, and also I have a coupon code for you all. If you use my coupon code beauty15, you're gonna get extra 15% off. Now, next one is gonna be the tip for shaving the face, guys. Now, also I would highly recommend you guys to go for the serrated razors face. So these are called as the serrated blades. Now, it has a tooth-like structure. So I use the same process on the face as well. Just apply a bit of aloe vera gel and try to remove your face hair in small strokes. Now, because facial hair are not that hard, it's very thin, so on the face, guys, you're gonna be good to go for 8 to 10 days. Also, because face skin is sensitive, also using this razor is gonna remove the dead skin cells that you have on the face. It helps in making the absorption of the product better on your skin, and also it helps in giving you clean and clear skin. So I highly recommend you guys to shave your faces, because once you do it, there is no going back. Now guys, the next one is gonna be exfoliating the skin before you shave. Now I'll tell you, there is a lot of dead skin accumulation which is gonna be there in the body. So if you do not scrub the skin, if you do not exfoliate the skin, what it does is, because the hair are out and your follicles are exposed in the air. Now, because if your skin is dirty, so all of accumulation is gonna go there and give you clogged pores. Now this is how the strawberry skin happens. So make sure that every time that you're gonna go for your shaving session, you're exfoliating the skin. Now you can use any kind of scrub that you have at home, or you can easily make one by adding some sugar. You can take brown sugar and some honey, exfoliate the skin thoroughly, and it is gonna remove all the dead skin cells from your body, and then shave in order to have beautiful and clean, clear skin. So guys, the next tip is gonna be, I see a lot of people recommending to go for the shaving gel, a shaving cream, or things like that. There are people who are even applying oil while shaving the body hair I'm talking about. But I am someone who highly recommend using raw aloe vera gel while shaving your skin. So aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties. It also has very hydrating properties because it's slimy, guys. Once you apply it on the skin, it is just gonna make your razor glide like magic, and also it helps in preventing any kind of post-infection that you might get from shaving the skin. So I highly recommend you guys to pluck a leaf of aloe vera and then use it as your shaving gel and then shave the hair out. It is going to be that easy. So I really hope that you find these tips and tricks helpful. Also, the first razor links are going to be in the description box below. Make sure that you check it out. The coupon code is going to be right there on the screen. Use it and get 15% off, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.